Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'll be teaching you on how to verify your PayPal account. The step number one is get to your PayPal dashboard, get login. After logging in, the second step is get your PayPal balance. You'll see the three dots. Go to PayPal balance. On getting to the PayPal balance, the third step is you will see link a new card where you will be able to say link card. Then you will see we have option of linking a credit card or a bank account. For our option this time, we'll use a credit card. So ensure you go to your bank, get a debit on your credit card so that you'll use it to verify your PayPal, your PayPal, so that you'll not have unnecessary limits or holds or oops also or all those nagging systems. Therefore, here you will put the 16-digit codes in your debit or credit card. Then you will select the card type is Visa. Then you will put the expiry date. Every credit card or debit card has an expiry date and the security code, and you will link the card. You will be good to go. Linking the card, you can see that you linked the Visa under this, and it has been done. So after getting it done, so we can see the Visa card has been attached here. Already in my PayPal account, I've got a new verification telling me want to use your PayPal account with no spending or withdrawal limits. If you want to, yeah, I'll confirm the card. Once confirming the card, ensure that you in your PayPal you have a balance of $1.95. That is equivalent to 2 USD to your currency, and you'll be able to confirm your card. Once you confirm your card, in your bank statement you'll get that transaction. You'll get PayPal will deduct $2 from your account, and you'll get a 4-digit code. The 4-digit code you'll be able to put it here. So I'll say confirm the card. I'll come here looking for small charges. I can see you will see in your bank statement you will see a code saying PX and 4-digit codes. We'll say get the code. Once we get the code, once we put it here, I say a code is on its way, and it should appear in your card statement within 2 or 3 business days. So we'll be waiting for it, and we'll come here and say check your card statement code and enter the code here to confirm your PayPal. To get to your card statement, we'll get the code that you need to confirm your card. We'll come here. I've already got my code. My code is 8456. They had charged me in my card statement $1.95. If I put this code, they will return back and my PayPal will be verified. Welcome to Lifestyle Tutorials. Your Visa card has been confirmed and it's done. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe. In case you have any query about PayPal limits or withdraw charges, ensure you reach me out in the description box. You'll get my WhatsApp number where you have to tip me before I sort you out. Thank you.